Hi, this is Space with Julia. On September 28, the Chinese Manned Spaceflight Agency for the first time presented a spacesuit that will be used in the future to land Chinese astronauts on the Moon. The demonstration of the spacesuit was conducted by astronauts Zhigan and Wang Yaping. Dressed in moon outfit, they demonstrated various movements, including walking, squats, bends, arm lifts, getting on one knee, and climbing stairs. It can be seen that the articular joints of the spacesuit have good mobility, both in the upper and lower extremities. Of particular interest are the flexible and durable gloves that allow astronauts to grab and hold objects and press the buttons of the multifunctional control system built into the suit. In addition, the suit has built-in cameras for video recording. According to the agency's statement, the presented spacesuit is made of special materials that are durable enough to effectively protect astronauts from the harsh conditions of the lunar environment, and at the same time light enough to provide convenient access to the Moon's surface. China has been developing a lunar spacesuit since 2020. A variety of innovative technologies, an anti-glare coating for the helmet and specialized protective fabrics for the spacesuits were used to develop the equipment. It worth noting that China already has spacesuit for spacewalks. Fei-10 spacesuits have been successfully used at the Chinese space station, and 17 spacewalks have already been carried out using these spacesuits. China has ambitious plans to land the first astronaut on the Moon in 2030. For these purposes, the Manned Spaceflight Agency is developing a lunar spacesuit and a manned spacecraft Zhai. It's assumed that the Zhai spacecraft will be able to deliver 4 crew members to the Moon with a launch mass of 21.5 tons. The estimated duration of missions to the Moon will be 21 days. China is currently conducting flight tests of its spacecraft. So, in May 2020, the prototype of the Zhai spacecraft without a crew was launched into space, where it performed 7 maneuvers to change its orbit, rising to an altitude of 8,000 kilometers, after which the test vehicle began to descend from orbit. Then the service module separated and the main module entered the atmosphere. The landing was carried out on 3 parachutes. Thus, China has come close to the United States in the lunar race to land a man on Moon again. Earlier, NASA announced plans to land astronauts on the Moon in 2025. However, the dates were repeatedly postponed, in particular due to the unavailability of lunar spacesuits. At the moment, the launch of a NASA spacecraft to the Moon with the landing of 2 astronauts on the lunar surface is scheduled for the end of 2026. If the stated deadlines are met, then the United States has every chance of emerging victorious in the new lunar race. And if not, then China could be the winner. This was Space with Julia. Like, share, and subscribe.